In this video, you will see how to buy any coin. It could be Bitcoin, any altcoin, how to buy using Bybit. So, however, don't don't waste time here. Let's do further work. So, go to Bybit and here you go. It's loading somewhat, but end of the day, essentially it would be like open. So keep in mind you need to have some capital on your Bybit. So I have $67 USDT. I will buy any coin that has Rothwhale. So see how to you will buy that. You will buy that through two different way. One is doing trading like USDT to whatever coin you want, and another way you can do that is convert. When you will do convert, you don't need any further fees, any extra fees. I will recommend you, if you wanna do convert your capital, if you wanna do if you wanna sell your capital into buy other coin, I will recommend you to using convert. Or if you have any intention to selling your capital somewhat increase price, you can do like using trading, something like USDT. If I go trading option, wait, trade, here we go. So if you want to sell, like here is a limit, if you want to sell market price, here if you sell that $66 and buy Bitcoin, you can do that immediately. That is market price, current price. And you can set limit, like maybe you, okay, I am buy this 66 USD, and it could be one. It's never possible, just I'm showing you. So when Bitcoin you know decrease in $66, at that time you will get one Bitcoin. So I'm just showing you, it's never possible, maybe could be. So and another way, that is convert. This way you can sell your capital, sell your asset in your intention or what price you want to sell. And where one thing market and here convert is same. So doing convert, click on more, and here is, if you don't find convert option, I will suggest you to doing search here, convert, right, and by convert. So if you don't find yet, go asset option, doing tap on convert, and after that what token you want to convert, like from and to USDT to Bitcoin I want to buy. So click on max, input value is less than the minimum amount required. Finding account, here is one thing noticed, funding account. I have my token in spot, done. Do max and quota, confirm, done, conversion complete, back, done. I bought Bitcoin, you know, maybe you are seeing here. If I show you that here is Bitcoin. So anyways, you can buy any coin, any altcoin, Bitcoin through this process. So see you later in the next time. If you wanna any specific video about using PancakeSwap, using any type of platform, write down on comment. I will do research and I will talk with their admin that which platform you wanna, certain video you wanna want. So I will share with you those things that you haven't any idea how to use. So write down comment of this video. See you later in the next time.